So the point is, both the if two people speak, then it's not good. If someone has to listen. So
Right.
this is one take. The more important takeaway for me was that, I think most of the time we forget to be grateful, or to have gratitude for what we have. I think we many a time we take it for granted कि ठीक है, ये तो चलता रहेगा. I mean, this is something, and many a time we feel कि okay, all this has been given to us because we have worked hard, or we have done this, or we have done that. This whole concept that we take ownership for even things that we are not really capable of owning.
Correct. True.
Number one, that has been a kind of a change in mindset. The second thing was that, I have in the past read a bit of the Bhagavad Gita, and also this thing reinforced the way the whole thing was curated. At some point we came across this whole concept that everything is transitory, that there is nothing permanent.
True.
We are, in a sense, what Mahatma Gandhi said or what Krishna said was that okay, we are only trustees, we don't own anything. Kal,
True.
what you have today belonged to somebody else yesterday, and we will be someone else's tomorrow. This, in a sentence, sums up what it is that life brings to us. We take too many things too seriously. We take too many things for granted ki theek hai, this is mine or that is mine. And there are things that after the retreat, these things have been set in motion, and hopefully there will be a more meaningful change also at a personal level, and at as a couple.